What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to use Swift Builder, a WordPress plugin for drag and drop, for building websites using drag and drop. So go to your WordPress hosts. First I'm going to search for Lorem Ipsum dummy text. So okay, that's loaded. I'll create a new blog post. Okay, copy the title, okay, currently is on the default WordPress visual editor. You can choose to change the text as well and write plain HTML, but now I'm going to change it to the Swift page builder. Now it's on the Swift page builder. Click add element. You can either click the add element or click the plus button. So here are different things you can add to your page. Each element provides you with a new cool feature. It adds a cool design to your page depending on what you want, depending on what you need. You can add a pricing table, a button, an image, a text, a box content. But here we're just gonna go with a box content. Yeah. So with this, there are different things you can add. Here we're using the box content. So whenever you add an element, you want to edit it. You use the pen for editing. Okay, and the box content will have the text phase with the box content. So I'm going to copy some content from the Lorem Ipsum website. Copy the first paragraph, and I'm just going to paste it here. Okay. Copy the second paragraph as well. Okay, Control C. Move it down and paste. Yes, and okay, let me get rid of this and recreate this. No, not that. Okay, Y. Okay. So highlight it and do non-regular editing, the bold, and you can add features from insert text. You can style the text from here, change in header. Okay, and when you're done, you save. See, you can also add shortcodes in each element. Note that this is still one element from Swift style page builder, so you save that, add that to your page. Then you add another element. Let's add something else. Okay, this is just a space between the first content and the next. Okay, those are other features you can add. There are loads of features you can add. Just each feature you're adding, each element you're adding is a predefined style. So here we're adding an animated text. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to type the text here. Type text here. So all these things you might need to experiment with them, see how they work fully for you to understand them. I'm changing the type of animation I want with the text. I'm gonna save that. It's gonna add that to the page. Now let's do something new. Let me rearrange. When you want to rearrange, you drag and drop. It's taking it from down, taking it back up. Okay, now let me add a new element. Let me add a colon. I want to mimic let's see, just mimic the page where we're copying the element from. Add another column. So you have 2 columns now. So let me do what I have here. When you try to edit this, you can paste right in the column unless you create another element in it. You can paste inside the column unless you add another element in it. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to click add, because this will add an element to the column. So the box content again. I'm adding a box content again. Okay, now in this I'm going to click edit. I'm going to click edit to add my text. Okay, now this is it. Control A, add my text. Okay, copy. Do the same for the next column. See, if you try to edit that, you get nothing to add your text in. So in this you have to add an element into the column. Yes, I'll be adding a box content. Okay, save. Okay, I'll say we want to add an image this time. Let's add an image. There you go, an image, full width image. And you click edit and add the image itself. Okay, and save. You have it. Then suppose you don't want to add a box content text, you can add a text content itself. To do that, you're just gonna you're gonna click text block. Text block. Now I'm going to copy content from below it. Let's copy all this all the way down. Copy and Control A, paste. And I'm going to save. So I think I'm done here. So you can go ahead and hit publish. You can hit save. You can preview it. Let me add a description to the title to show what this post is about. Swift builder demonstration. Okay, so what is a little bit advanced than the default edit to the default page builder. So I'm gonna save as draft, and wait for it to save. So once it's done saving, okay, I'm gonna preview a new tab. Okay, so here is the animated text. This is an animated headline. It changed from one text to another. It is cool. You can see the text typing. And so let's scroll down. You can see the box content, and now here the column, here the full size image, and the text block. So you can see the space in between. Well, and that ends our lecture. I hope this has been informative, and that's all.